In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regroup lists in Microsoft Lists. Microsoft Lists offers a powerful way to organize and keep track of your information. And grouping your lists can make analyzing data much easier and more intuitive. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open up a web browser and search for Microsoft Lists. Microsoft Lists is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, so make sure you have an active subscription. Once you find the official Microsoft Lists site, go ahead and click it. This will take you to a page where you can either explore more about what lists can do or jump straight into your own lists. At the top right corner of the screen, there's a Sign In button. Click on this to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do this to access your personal lists. Having access to your email, OneDrive, or other Microsoft services means you're almost ready to go. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to open the list you want to work with. You'll see a dashboard showing all the lists you have access to, both those you've created and any shared with you. Click on the title of the list you plan to regroup. Having your list right in front of you, you're now ready to start regrouping. Now, look for the column headers at the top of your list. The features we're exploring today are tucked away behind these column headers. Find the specific column you wish to group by and click the small downward-facing arrow next to the column name. This little arrow is your gateway to a menu with a host of different options for organizing the data in that column. As you scroll through the menu, keep an eye out for an option labeled Group By. This section is what enables you to sort and group data by that specific column. Click on Group By, and you'll see your list automatically reorganize according to the selected option. This means that the items in your list will be grouped together based on the values in the column you've chosen, making it simpler to interpret data trends or categorize information at a glance. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to regroup your lists in Microsoft Lists. Grouping can be especially helpful for project management, tracking inventory, or any scenario where categorizing items can lead to better insights or streamlined workflows. By taking advantage of Microsoft Lists' built-in features, you can enhance productivity and make the most of the data you deal with daily. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find these steps helpful in making your use of Microsoft Lists even more efficient. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'd be happy to help.